Good morning. We are going to say about the integral calculus, and here in mostly we are seeing about multiple choice questions. In the second part of second one, that is integrate limit a tends to infinity integral of 1 to a 1 divided by root x into dx. We have to solve this solution. Limit a tends to infinity integral of 1 to a 1 by root x into dx. And we can write this as 1 by root x as limit a tends to infinity integral of 1 to a x power minus half into dx, and this is nothing but the integration of x power of minus half into dx can be written as x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here n is minus half, then taking LCM 2 plus 1, there 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2, and here also 2 minus 1 1 by 2. Therefore integral of 1 to a x power minus half x dx equal to x power half divided by half, that is x power half divided by half. Here the limits are limit a tends to infinity 2 into x power half. This 2 comes this side, therefore 2 into x power half. This 1 by 2, this 2 comes this side, 2 into x power half. That is the limit is 1 to infinity. The upper limit is infinity and the lower limit is 1. Therefore 2 into infinity power half infinity minus 2 into 1 power half. Anything to the power 1 equal to 1. Therefore 2 infinity minus 2. The next problem, similarly integrate limit a tends to infinity integral of 2 to a sin 2x dx. Solution, limit a tends to infinity integral of 2 to a sin 2x dx. Similarly, we have to put in the previous problem, we have put u equal to 2x into dx, this 2x into dx. Then you have to differentiate du equal to differentiation of 2x is 2 and dx. Then you can write this dx equal to du divided by 2. The next, coming to the sum, we have limit a tends to infinity integral of 2 to a sin 2x dx equal to limit a tends to infinity 2 to a sin u du by 2. Instead of dx, you have to write du by 2. Then limit a tends to infinity, this 1 by 2 can be taken outside. This 1 by 2 integral of 2 to a sin u du, that's equal to limit a tends to infinity half. Integration of sin u du is nothing but minus cos u, and the limits are 2 to infinity. Then you have minus cos u divided by, again once again coming inside 2, you have minus cos u by 2, that is 2 to infinity are the upper and lower limits. Then minus upper limit is infinity, minus cos infinity by 2 minus cos 2 by 2, that's equal to infinity. Infinity minus 0, that is infinity. Then limit a tends to infinity integral of sin 2 to a sin 2x dx equal to infinity. The value does not exist, the divergent. The next problem, you have third one. Integrate limit a tends to infinity integral of minus infinity 2 divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Then solution, limit a tends to infinity, we have to write this minus infinity to infinity can be written as minus infinity to 0 and 0 to infinity, such that we are splitting the limits. Minus infinity to infinity can be written as minus infinity to 0 plus 0 to infinity. Therefore you can write this sum as limit a tends to infinity integral of minus infinity to 0 2 divided by 1 plus x square dx plus limit b tends to infinity integral of 0 to infinity 2 divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Then we have, or it is nothing but taking 2 outside, we have 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx integration is arc tan x. 2 into arc tan x. The limits are, we are putting such that a to 0 and 0 to b. B is infinity, a is minus infinity. Therefore, putting the limits, substituting the limits, 2 into arc tan 0 minus 2 arc tan a plus 2 arc tan b minus 2 arc tan 0. You know that tan 0 is 0 and this 2 into arc tan a, that is tan infinity or minus whatever, pi by 2 and plus 2 into pi by 2 tan b, that is tan infinity. Therefore, you have minus pi plus pi, that is equal to 0. The values limit a tends to infinity, a tends to infinity, minus into infinity, 2 divided by 1 plus x of ds equal to 0. The fourth question, integrate limit a tends to infinity, integral of 0 to infinity x into e power x squared into dx. And how to solve this? Solution, limit a tends to infinity, integral of 0 to a x into e power x squared into dx. For the previous problem we had like this, put u equal to x squared, therefore du equal to 2x into dx, then du by 2x equal to dx. Substituting this value here, solution, a tends to infinity, x into e power x squared into dx, we can write this u, e power u into du, and this dx can be replaced by du by 2x. Then this and this x will be getting cancelled and you get e power u is nothing but x squared, e power x squared divided by u, or e power u equal to e power u only. Therefore, e power x squared divided by 2, the limits are 0 to infinity. Then substituting the limits value, you have e power infinity the whole square divided by 2 minus e power 0 divided by 2, that is 0, 0, then e power 0 equal to 1, 1 by 2, that is minus half, and the answer is limit a tends to infinity, integral of x into e power x squared into dx equal to minus half. Thank you.